Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to e to the power of s minus 1 ds, because first derivative of this one we keep about this one. Later that we do first derivative of s minus 1, you got about 1 from s, and you got about 0. This one we change by u, this one we change by du. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.